How to Meditate for Beginners, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to the world of meditation, where serenity meets self-awareness. Let's delve into a step-by-step guide designed specifically for beginners. Step 1 involves finding your meditation spot. This should be a tranquil area free from distractions. It's your personal retreat. Next, set a specific time. Meditating at the same time daily builds a routine, helping you to integrate it into your daily life. Just 5 minutes can make a difference. Now, sit comfortably. Find a posture that suits you. This could be cross-legged on a cushion, on a chair, or even lying down. The key is to maintain a natural and balanced posture. Close your eyes gently. This reduces visual distractions, helping you to focus better. Remember, meditation isn't about fighting your thoughts. It's about becoming an observer of your thoughts. Start by focusing on your breath. Notice the sensation of each inhale and exhale. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Don't worry if your mind begins to wander. You are not failing. This is natural. It's the practice of returning to the breath that really matters. Lastly, end your session slowly. Open your eyes and take a moment before standing. Observe how your mind feels and permit yourself to carry this awareness into your daily activities. Remember, practice is key. The more you meditate, the easier it will become. Start small and be patient with yourself. Welcome to the journey of self-discovery, peace, and balance. Happy meditating!